So guys, there we have a XIAOMI Redmi A1, and today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on your device. So in the first thing you have to download some fax app. It's a lot of it in the Google Store. I choose that one. Of course you can choose the other one. So we have to open it now. Add the permissions and click allow. So you can see now we are in the outgoing section in the sendfax. So to choose a source of your document, click on this little plus, and how you can see now you can choose the source of your file. You can choose the PDF from the download files, image from the gallery, and take photo, and the other ways. I will take a photo now. Now you can see now you can adjust the shape of your document, and if you are ready, click on this arrow. Now choose the filter for your message. There you can add a signature and a text. If you are ready, click accept. And you can see now by this little plus you can add more documents, but if you want to send only this one, type the number, and optionally you can add a small note. Now to send it, just click here. If you want to receive a fax messages, just click here on the icon and click here on the get fax number. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, and good luck into sending fax messages. Goodbye.